Hey, what's up, everybody? Another review today. I have today the much hyped Fatalli Gourmet Jigsaw. This is from my good friend, my great friend, John Ford, over at Ford's Firey Foods and Plants. This thing's pretty wicked looking. Got a little bit of a stinger on there. It's a pretty wild looking pot, I gotta say that. It really is. This thing looks like wax. It's really a cool looking pot. Still hurting from that chocolate maruga I did the other day. I got from John. That thing was wicked. Ooh. There's another pod growing inside of it. It's pretty wild. It's like a floral smell to it. Take out a couple of seeds. Hope everybody's doing okay today. Beautiful day today here in Long Island. 75 degrees. Not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful, beautiful day today. If you could see, there we go. The oil on the blade there. There you go. That's a good shot. Get all that oil. Show you the inside of the pod. You can see glistening with oil. Nice amount of placenta. This half right here, look at it, right up in here. See if I can get it. Right there, right in there. Right there. There's a ton of oil right there. Okay. Pretty cool. Cool looking insides. Smells sweet. It has that floral smell to it. Alright, let's see what we got here. The Fatalli Jigsaw from John Ford of Ford's Firey Foods and Plants. Bottoms up. Floral. But sweet. Seed stuck in my throat. It's burning the tip of the tongue, the top. It's got that floral taste to it. building still. Got the top of the tongue burning. Saliva glands are kicking a little. Well, this is nowhere near what it's hyped up to be, I think, in my personal opinion. I mean, and that, you know, that's nothing against anybody. You know, this thing was hyped up to be, you know, the new world record holder and this and that, and no, not at all. It's definitely not at all. It's peaked already. I mean, I got a burn under my tongue. Nothing really in the back of the throat at all. I mean, unless I'm fried from doing that chocolate maruga, which was 2 days ago. This thing is really, it's I mean, I don't even know if you'd call it a super hot. I don't know. I guess it's classified as a super hot, but it's not burning like super hot. No way. Saliva has calmed down. It's not as bad. Still burning underneath the tongue a little bit, but got a good flavor to it, I guess. It is kind of sweet. I mean, it's a wild looking pie, don't get me wrong, but nowhere near what it was hyped to be. And I know you guys that grew them, I know you guys paid a lot of money for these seeds, and I don't know. It's just funny how people are talking about making money off of selling seeds and stuff like that. Well, you know, anybody wants to be mad at somebody should be taking it up with this guy, because this thing is not what it was hyped to be at all. Kind of disappointed. But hey, I guess that's the way it goes, right? Yeah, I got nothing else. I guess I'm gonna cut it short. Still burning just a little bit under the tongue. No big deal. Alright, that's it. That's all I got for today. John, thanks for sending that pod. Everybody check out John on Facebook, online, Ford's Fire Foods and Plants. He's got seeds, pods. I think he might have some plants up for sale coming for fall. I'm not too sure. I thought I remember seeing them. I could be wrong, but he will definitely have plans for 2014, the spring of 2014. I've gotten plenty of plants from John, and they've been monsters. They've incredible plants. John will be the only one I'll be purchasing plants from, as long as I keep doing this. I do grow some from seed, but I also like to, because of where I am, northeast of Long Island, the grow season isn't that long, so I could get some plants from John to get a jump start, and it's worked well this year for me. He's got great plants. John's a great man, great products. Check him out. Like I said, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, and Fatalli Gourmet Jigsaw. We'll see you on the next one, everybody. Bye.